Lottie. So today's video is a video that was created by Emily Noel on YouTube. So she did a video where if you had $1,000 to spend at Sephora, what would you buy? No limits, just, get whatever you want for $1,000. So I thought I would jump on this train and show you guys what I would pick up myself. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so before we get into the video, just letting you guys know, yes, I am sick. I have a chest infection. I've been sick for the last week. I am getting better, so I'm just doing a few videos today. I'm not going to wear myself out, but yeah, I thought I'd just let you know in case you guys realize that I sound funny. So yeah, let's jump in now. Okay, so in no particular order, these are the products that I would pick up from Sephora if I had $1,000 to spend there. So my cart came to $1,003 and that includes 16 items and postage. So I will just start at the top and work my way down. Okay, so the first product that I would pick up from Sephora is by Pat McGrath Labs. So I would pick up the Mothership eyeshadow palette in Divine Rose. It's Mothership VII, I think that's number 7. So yes, I would pick that up because I am very interested in trying the Pat McGrath formulas. They're meant to be really, really nice, and I absolutely love eyeshadows. Eyeshadows are my favorite part of makeup, so I would really love to try that formula out, and I have been looking at them and this palette jumped up and I just really love the color story in that one. So that one is coming in at $195. Obviously that is not something that I can realistically buy, so it is definitely just in my dream cart. So the second palette that I would pick up is from Natasha Denona. So I've heard her formulas are meant to be really good as well, and some can be a miss though. So I'm not sure whether this palette is definitely the palette that I would 100% choose if I had the money, or if I would go for one that is a bit more loved. But I really love the color story in the Love eyeshadow palette. So that one is a 15 shadow palette and it retails for $111 on the Sephora website. So again, it's meant to be really good for formula, and I really want to try out one of her palettes. I have been keeping an eye on hers to see if any of them go on sale at all, but I can't justify spending $111 on a 15 shadow palette. So the third product I would pick up is again another eyeshadow palette. I think I only chose 3, so I think this is the last one. So this one is from Marc Jacobs Beauty and it's the Iconic Multi-Finish eyeshadow palette. So again, Marc Jacobs is meant to be really good eyeshadow formula. This one has lots of reviews, good reviews online. So I really want to try that formula as well. I'm really after like the best formulas for eyeshadows, because I do love my eyeshadows and I love it when they just work so easily and you can create so many looks because you're not having to fight with the shadow to make it work. So that retails for $75. So again, it's not a realistic price range for me because there is only 7 shadows in that palette. So it really is expensive per shadow. So the fourth product, I've had my eye on this for a while. It's actually been sitting in my cart for a while. I really want to try the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. So I do use the lip sleeping mask. I've got apple and lime and I think the berry one, and I absolutely love and adore it. I also just recently for my sample Saturday I tried the Laneige Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer, and I really liked that on my skin as well. It really helped my dry patches that I have on my nose from being sick and blowing my nose so much. So Laneige is meant to be a really good brand, and so far everything I've tried from them, it has been absolutely beautiful. So I would really love to try that mask. So it may be one that I could purchase in the future. It retails for $44, but at the moment I need to get through all my skincare that I already have because I don't want anything to expire whilst I buy new products. So the fifth product that I've picked is again from Laneige, and it's the Lip Glowy Balm. So again, this is another one that's been in my cart for a while now. It retails for 23 Australian dollars, and it's meant to be really, really nice. I'm definitely leaning more towards being a gloss and balm person recently, so I'm not reaching for my lipsticks or my liquid lips as often. I pretty much only putting them on for videos, and then after videos I'll take it off and pop a balm on. So I've heard really good things about that, and as I said in the last one, I love their lip sleeping mask, so I would really love to try this one out, and I chose the flavour berry for that one. So my sixth product is a product I have actually tried. I just didn't purchase it because of all the drama surrounding this brand. So it was the Kat Von D brand. It is now KVD Vegan Beauty, so I would definitely be happy to purchase it now. It is the Tattoo Liner Liquid Eyeliner in the Trooper Satin Black, and it retails for 30 Australian dollars. And I actually have tried it before because I had a little sample and I really liked it. I found that it was an eyeshadow that worked really easily for me because I'm not a pro at using eyeliner and getting like perfect wings or anything, so I just found this to be so much easier and nicer, and I am almost out of this because I did go through a phase of using it every day. So I would really love the full size, so it is something that I could foresee purchasing in my future, but for now I've got plenty of eyeliners, so again it's in my dream cart for the moment. So the seventh product is by It Cosmetics, and it's the Your Skin But Better CC Cream SPF 50. So I chose the colour Fair Beige. I'm not sure if that's the correct colour match for me. I would have to look into it if I definitely went ahead with it, but it is something that comes quite highly rated in the YouTube community, in the beauty community, everywhere. It's got really good reviews, so I would love to try that out one day, because I do only have one foundation that I absolutely love and live by, which is this one. So I would love to have some different options out there, so one day hopefully I will try that, but for the moment being I'll just stick with my Infallible, and I just put a little bit less on my face when I want less of coverage. Okay, so number 8 is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb All Over Diamond Veil in How Many Carats. So this retails for 60 Australian dollars. So I have had my eyes on this for probably a year now, and I just can't justify paying 60 bucks for a highlighter. I mean, I paid like 12 bucks for my Flower Beauty highlighter, so why would I pay $60 over this? But if money was no object, I would happily spend 60 bucks on that highlighter because it looks really, really stunning. Hi guys! So just quickly jumping in to say that half my footage actually corrupted and I wasn't able to save it all. So the first half of the video I was able to save. I hope there's no audio issues anymore with it, but the rest of the video I wasn't able to save, so I'm just going to quickly do a retake now. I've just filmed another video, went to post tonight's video and realized it was half gone. So you might see Macy pop in and out of the rest of this video. She is sitting here being all cuddly and sooky with me, aren't you, darling? So let's jump back into the video, and if you want to see how I did this look that I'm wearing today, I will be posting it in the next day or two, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, so for number 9 and 10, it's actually the same product, just different shades. So I actually already have 2 shades of this product, and it is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs. So I actually really love the formula of these gloss bombs, and I really want the colours Diamond Milk and Sweet Mouth. These are the lip glosses that I reach for the most on a regular basis. They're actually in my handbag right now because yeah, I just love them so much. So they do retail for Australian $31, and they have been sitting in my cart for a while. I just haven't purchased them because I feel like as I already have so many lip products. But if I had $1,000 to spend at Sephora, I would happily go and add those because I absolutely love them. Okay, so number 11 is the Dior Lip Glow to the Max, and I chose the color 201 Light Pink. So this retails for 52 Australian dollars. So this is like a lip balm formula, and as I said earlier in the video, I am leaning more to glosses and balms over lipsticks. So I would love to get my hands on one of these because it is very highly rated. So I would love to try one of them, but $52 for a lip balm, just not something that I can realistically spend $52 on at the moment. Okay, so number 12 is the Benefit Cosmetics Give Me Brow Plus Brow Volumizing Gel, and I chose the color 3 Neutral Light Brown. This retails for 45 Australian dollars, and this is all over YouTube. It's all over the beauty community, and it is got really good reviews on it. So it is a product that I would love to try one day, but $45 is quite expensive, especially when I can get like a $6 e.l.f. brow pencil and it worked perfect. Yes, darling. I think Macy wants to have her makeup done. Okay, so number 13 is a highlighter. Now, I love my highlighters. I love the glowy, the sparkly, the bright, the shiny, the wet look. Love it. You'll know that I rave and rave about my $12 Flower Beauty Trio highlighter. I use that every single day. But when I was in Sephora, I swatched a few of the Becca Cosmetics highlighters, and the formula is amazing. Now, if money was no object, I would happily spend 64 Australian dollars on a highlighter from that brand. So I was looking through the colours that they currently have on the Sephora in Australia, and at the moment I would choose the colour Own Your Light, which is a limited edition highlighter. It's like a nice pinky colour, and it is made for their mental health awareness campaign. So I think that would be a really good one to buy if I did spend $64 on a highlighter. Okay, so number 14 is a Lancome Hypnose Waterproof Mascara. So this retails for 58 Australian dollars, and it has now gone out of stock since I added it to my cart. However, it has really good reviews, and I'm a bit of a mascara whore. I have at least 10, if not more, open mascaras on my table in front of me right now. And I'm always looking for mascaras that can give me longer lashes, bigger lashes, you know, out there lashes, so I can get away with not wearing any false lashes. I really hate false lashes purely because I find that it is such a mission to apply them. It takes me a good half an hour to apply false lashes. So if I can save half an hour by just using some mascara, which will take me like 2 minutes, then I want that. I need that in my life. Okay, so number 15 is a lipstick from Giorgio Armani, and it is the Rouge d'Armani matte lipstick. That was a bit of a tongue twister. And I chose the color 102. However, I would probably swatch them in store before I would choose a color, just because lipsticks can look deceiving on like a screen versus what they look like in real life. So this isn't necessarily the color that I would purchase, but I would definitely want one from that collection if money was no object, because it looks amazing and the formula is meant to be so creamy and smooth and absolutely beautiful, and I think that's everything we all look for in a lipstick. So that retails for 56 Australian dollars. So again, not something I would realistically purchase. It would definitely be in my dream cart. So last but not least, number 16, this is from the brand Givenchy, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So I actually think I saw this in store. If this is the correct one, I was able to swatch it and I absolutely loved it. I fell in love. Then I saw the price was 65 Australian dollars. And I turned around and walked out. So it is their Taint Kosher Shimmer Powder Face Highlighter. And it looks stunning. It looks beautiful. Again, same as the Becca one. Yeah, the highlighters look amazing. They swatch really beautifully, but I can't justify paying $65 for a highlighter when I have my $12 Flower Beauty one here that works just as well. So that is my cart of what I would purchase if I had $1,000 to spend at Sephora and there was no rules on it. So that came to 1,003 Australian dollars including shipping, so I was $3 over, but that's okay, it was close enough to 1,000. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry that I had to do 2 takes and put it together. It unfortunately corrupted, so yeah, I just had to do it this way. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below as well, because that really helps me out. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.